Hey y'all, Tyanna here with Desert Country Sidewinders. Today we are learning Wild Child, my dance to the song Wild Child by Way Jennings. This is a 4-wall beginner line dance. This dance is starting out with some knee pops going forward. We're going to start landing on our right, popping our left, so we're going pop, pop. From there we're going to mamba, and instead of mambaing together, we're going to mamba and step back. So we're going to go mamba, step back right, step back left, step back right. Then we're going to finish with a coaster on our left foot going left, right, left. So the counts for that are going to be 5, 6, 7, 8. Pop, 1, pop, 2, mamba, 3 and 4, back, 5, 6, coaster, 7 and 8. From here, we're going to do a rock and cross starting with our right foot. So we're going to go rock and cross. We're going to do the same thing with our left foot. Go rock and cross. And then from here, we're going to take this right foot to paddle to our left wall. We're going to paddle to our quarter wall and take that same right foot that we paddled with and go cross and cross. If I did it this way, it would be paddle, cross, and cross. So we just finished with our coaster step. Weight is on our left foot. We're going to take this right into that rock and cross. The counts are going to be 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, cross, 7 and 8. So it's easier to watch me. I will continue doing it this way, even though this is our technical wall we are on. We just did our cross and cross. From here, we're taking this left foot into a point and hold. And then we're going to quick switch and sweep on our right foot to go sweep into a coaster step. So when this lands, that starts our coaster step going right, left, right. And this last step in the coaster step is our first step into a step pivot to our back wall, going step, pivot, step right again, pivot. We did our cross and cross. The counts are going to be 1, hold, 2, sweep, 3, 4, and 5, 6, pivot, 7, 8. From here, we're going to do some hip bumps. And the way that I do it, the way that it's easiest for me, is to bump right and step, bump left and step. Then we're going to do a V-step going right, left, right, left. The counts for that are going to be 1 and 2, 3 and 4, V, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll do the whole thing all together to counts, starting with that pop, pop. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pop, 1, 2, mamba, 3 and 4, 5, 6, coaster, 7 and 8. Rock, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, paddle, 5, 6, cross, 7 and 8. Point, 1, hold, 2, sweep, 3, coaster, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, hip bump, 1, 2, 3 and 4, V, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the full dance. Again, there are no tags or restarts. Make sure you do this over and over again until you got it. And we do have a demo video so that you can go find that video and try it with us. Hope to see you guys next time. Much love.